If you're a regular of this channel, you know that beef ribs are my nemesis. I tried so many times and it has always beat me to the ground. So today, I'll try to get my revenge and show you a unique, quicker and also delicious way of cooking beef ribs. This way of cooking ribs has been a tradition in Latin America for centuries, but for some weird reason it's never been popular here in the US at all. And that's why I wanted to show you this different but amazing way of cooking beef ribs. For that, I was able to find these amazingly beautiful beef ribs in a supermarket near me called Broward Meat and Fish, and as soon as I saw them I realized that I had to cook them. The marbling and size of these ribs are exactly the type that you know you won't find every day. We all know that ribs has a beautiful marbling, but I've never seen such a beautiful marbling on ribs like this before. I have no doubt this is going to be a unique experience. Grilling these ribs is easy to the point that anyone can do it. And that is the reason why I'm in shock to know that this is not more popular in the US. And I know some of you guys are not going to take this one lightly, but when compared to the smoked ribs that can take hours, this method of cooking ribs will take a total of 2.5 hours, and that is with an open grill. Cooking with an open grill would allow us to cook more than just ribs at the same time, as we are not forced to keep the lid of the grill closed all the time. As I said before, ribs are really popular in Latin America, and that is why I invited two of my Argentinian friends, really good grillers on their own, to be the judges of my take of this beautiful dish. The main thing that you have to pay attention when grilling beef ribs this way is the heat. And the easiest method ever to learn how to manage your heat goes this way. Place your hand close to the grill grates and count in seconds how long you can hold it before you can take it anymore. To grill these ribs, you should be able to keep your hand in there for 10 to 12 seconds, resulting in what they call low heat. And please, don't get intimidated by my grill. This way of cooking ribs can be done on any grill. I prefer the WAGYU grill because of the space it gives me and the ability of having different heat zones within the grill, but that's all. You can make these ribs on any grill, from the Weber to the Kamado, it doesn't matter. As long as you keep your heat low, the results are going to be always the same. Once your grill is at the desired temperature, all you need to do is to add your ribs to it. Yes, just like that, no seasoning or membrane removed or anything else needed. I told you you will love this way of cooking ribs. Just make sure the bones are facing down, as we want them to heat up and transfer that heat indirectly into the meat right above. With all that done, you will have time to add more things to the grill and make this cook as big or small as you want it. I will be cutting some fruits and lemons and add them to the grill, and of course I get some tomatoes and peppers heat up to make a great salad with them. And while I finish cutting up this amazing grilled salad, I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And of course, remind you that if you like this video, please hit that like button, as that helps the channel a lot. To surprise my guests, I will create my favorite boar sauce. I know this will be the perfect combination for those ribs. This one is a very easy sauce that you can make with very few ingredients, but it will elevate the flavors of your beef to another dimension. To make this boar sauce, all you need is 2 green jalapenos, 2 red jalapenos, 3 shallots, a handful of chives, and 7 sage leaves. Cut all the spices into little pieces and add olive oil, salt, and pepper. It is recommended to allow this sauce to rest for about 20 minutes before adding the meat to it, as that will give the time for the oils to soak up all the flavors of the spices. And as always, the whole recipe and a lot more information will be down in the description. After 1.5 hours of the ribs cooking on the bone side, I will flip them to one side and add salt on the top. This process will be repeated once again at the 2 hours milestone, and salt should be added again. And as with any other steak, I will take them off the grill and allow them to rest for 10 minutes before cutting into it. So guys, here I have my two friends that are Argentinians and they tried this thing 1,000 times before. I think I like it a lot. It looks beautiful.
It does.
But it's time to give it a try and see what's up. Guys, let me tell you something. This one over there is a little bit hot. So if you want to try something that doesn't have any spices on it, try those two on the side. So,
Pica.
esta tiene picante y aquellas dos no tienen picante. So si te gusta picante un poquito, cógela del medio.
Translation for our friends, my dear.
Let's go, guys. Let's see what's up. You tell me, how do you like it?
I want to get me some of the spicy one. Let me take a little piece. Unbelievable. This looks amazing. Seriously, the color.
Let me give it a good try.
The texture.
If you never tried these spices, guys, you have to try it.
Let's do it, Ninja.
Increíble.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Buenísimo. Muy bueno.
Huh? You heard that? Muy bueno.
Oh my God. Guys, this thing came out amazing.
Yes, it
This
did.
thing came out really good. What do you guys think? You like it?
Increíble.
Wow.
¿Te gustó?
Voy a probar este, me encantó.
Do you like it?
Me encantó.
Guys, this thing is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Approved by the Argentinians here, not by me. Okay, they approved it. It wasn't me. I know it's good because it's really good.
Yes, these two guys here, so it
¿Quieres probar la
gotta
que tiene
be
picante?
good.
¿Probé esa?
La de picante. ¿Te gustó?
Muy buena.
La salsa.
Muy buena.
Guys, now you know what to do. If you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to share these videos on your social network because that helps us a lot. I know you're gonna have some comments. I'm pretty sure some people is gonna say, yeah, I don't know if I wanna go with this way or if I wanna keep smoking or whatever. Just put it down in the comment, man.
It's
That's
just
what
so.
it is for. That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
We love you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Do you love them?
You love them?
Espectacular.
Do you
¿Los
love them?
quieres?
I love you.
Ah!